Okay, what I want to show you now is the unboxing or opening of the UBiox Prolite or even the slim UBio terminals. It's a little bit different from the previous because our adapters were included in a separate box. In our UBio series, the adapters included in the package itself. So open the box and you'll see the terminal here, and then you have your adapter on this side. So it's always included with the product and there's no choice to remove it from the packaging. A lot of people ignore this, but it's a very important standard things about IP65, but what's most important here is regarding the adapter. Now on the UBiox Pro series, facial series, the adapter, one big difference is it's 15 volts. Adapter, 15 volt DC adapter, not 12 volt DC adapter. 12 volt DC is only applying to the UBiox Slim. So what we have here is, depending if you want to, how far a distance you want to put the adapter from the terminal, you have to pay attention to the wire gauge that you're using for the adapter in that case. So just pay attention to how far the adapter is away from the terminal and go to this guide for recommended distances for that. So that's what I want to show you. Is the Pro, as I showed you before, the IR LED count. Okay, and then underneath the terminal, we will have the angle bracket. And as I told you before, the Prolite does not have an auto tilt function. This bracket is very important for the optimal angles for mounting, as you see here. And then we have the actual mounting bracket. Now, the first step is actually mounting this on your location on the wall. And I said the height is important for the Prolite, which is 120 centimeters from this point from here to the ground. So you'll be putting this on the wall first, and then this device, this bracket here, you'll then mount it onto the angle bracket. And once this is all mounted in and solid, then you can easily take your terminal and then hook it onto the hooks on the back. And all of the mounting screws are included with the device. You shouldn't require anything extra. And then we have the standard wires, cords for attaching if you need any external connecting, such as the lock, door monitor, exit button, and those get connected in there. The lock gets connected to these terminals here, and then RS-485, simple, and then any other external connections you want will be used for these connectors itself.